and welcome to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell below before we start. For today's video, we are talking about my experience because I just switched from napkins to tampons. Yes guys, this is really a game changer for me because I've never been so fresh and comfortable during my period when I'm using it. So, if you want to know more about these tampons, please keep on watching. Basically, tampons is an absorbent material that women use during our menstruation. And monthly, I experience and even some of you too experience dysmenorrhea, body ache, headache, at syempre isama na rin natin yung madalas na pag-init ng ulo natin sa kadahilan ng hindi natin alam kung bakit. Tapos minsan naiirita tayo when we are not comfortable with our napkin kasi hindi tayo masyado makagalaw, nag-aalala tayo kung magkakalik pa tayo or magkakatagos ba tayo. Hindi natin magawa yung mga usual na ginagawa natin on a daily basis or yung mga routine na ginagawa natin, hindi natin magawa during our period, di ba? That's when I tried and realized na, besh, tampons are really a game changer. So, Ladouce Tampons emailed me if I can try and review their product. I immediately said yes kasi matagal ko na talaga siyang gustong itry but I'm not sure of trying. And I know kaya mo klick tong video na to kasi curious ka rin and gusto mo rin siyang itry pero hindi tayo sure kung paano siya gamitin or kung paano siya ilagay. Since this is also my first time to try them, this is the perfect time for me to share with you my experience. Okay, so Ladouce Tampons are made of natural, soft silk viscose, and the strings are made of cotton. Ladouce Tampons have 3 different sizes for different occasions. They have 3 sizes depends on how heavy your period is. These are the 3 sizes they have. Actually, parang magkakahaba lang sila, nagkaiba lang sila sa taba nung mismong tampon. First is we have the mini. This is for light menstrual flow. This is best for first-time tampon user. Ito rin yung ginamit ko since first time ko rin siyang matry. Then we also have this normal size which is perfect for moderate menstrual flow. Ito yung pag medyo malakas na siya on your second or third day. Lastly, they also have this super. This is the biggest size available. It is best for heavy menstrual flow. Pag may mga activities kang gagawin, ito yung perfect na gamitin. Each box has 16 tampons and meron siyang kasamang instruction and manual sa loob. Now, let's talk about how to use them. First, before you open, make sure to wash your hands para walang dirt na mapupunta sa tampons kasi syempre ilalagay natin yan sa loob. On this part of the tampon, dito makikita nyo na may arrow. Just follow the direction kung paano siya buksan. Twist and pull the plastic to unwrap. Then, unwind the string. So, this is the tampon and may maiiwan na cotton string sa labas. Hindi nyo siya ipapasok kasi this is for you to pull pag puno na. Pull the string para ma-check nyo na hindi siya matatanggal. Now, how will you know pag puno na yung tampon and it's time to change already when you can see dahil nasa loob siya? When you see na may blood na yung string, that's the time you have to change your tampons already. Now, let's proceed to the absorption test. Here you can see the Ladouce tampon. Ayan. Nakaubos na tayo ng syringe. See how absorbent it is? Or even if we dip it to the glass of liquid. See that? So, yung blood ma-absorb talaga siya ni tampons. But based on my experience, kung nag-aalala kayo, yung mga blood clot, may ipon yan sa ibabaw. And don't worry guys, kasi when you pull the tampons out of your body, kasama yan matatanggal, hindi siya maiiwan sa loob. Now, alam kong ito yung hinihintay nyo. I'll teach you how to use or how to insert the tampons. But syempre, just use your imagination. Imagine na lang natin, I have this cute teddy right here, and her name is Luz.
So ano Luz, ready ka na ba kay Ladouce?
We actually have 2 ways to put it in a comfortable position. First is sitting with your legs apart or standing with your one leg raised or resting on the toilet. So imagine this is our vaginal opening. And by the way, baka nagwe-worry kayo sweethearts, huwag kayong mag-alala dahil ang nilalabasan ng ihi at dugo natin ay magkaiba. So ayan yung image. There you can see sa taas, diyan sa urethra, lumalabas ang ating ihi. And then, sa ilalim, diyan naman sa vaginal opening, lumalabas ang dugo natin at doon din natin ipapasok ang tampon. Going back, so let's start inserting. Again, imagine this is your vaginal opening. Open your labia carefully. Then, on the other hand, use your thumb and your middle finger to hold the tampon and index finger to push. Ayan. And then, your index finger to push. Ayan. Paano mo malalaman kung napasok mo siya ng tama and how deep? It is when you're already comfortable and pag hindi mo na siya nararamdaman inside of you. Push mo lang siya deeper and then kusang magsasara yung labia natin. Then as I've mentioned kanina, maiiwan lang yung cotton string and if it's already time to change, just pull out. So, Luz, ibabalik na kita. Thank you so much for being our model today. Ako based on my experience nung first time ko siyang tinry, I feel uneasy. Maybe because kasi alam ko na nandun siya and may nakapasok. Kasi syempre parang pinapakiramdaman mo pa. Nung una, nung nakaupo ako ng ganyan, medyo nararamdaman ko siya sa loob. But then, nung after a few minutes, okay na. Then nakapaglakad-lakad na ako. I really feel comfortable na parang walang nakapasok sa loob. Nanibago nga ako kasi I feel free. Parang alam mo yun, very comfortable na yung panty lang yung nararamdaman ko na kahit meron ako walang napkin na sagabal or inaalala ko na gagalaw or tatagusan ba ako or what. This one, when I use it, sobrang comfortable niya talaga. And that's what I love about using tampons kasi we can already wear what we want. We can wear skirts, shorts, skinny jeans, or even fitted leggings. Pwedeng-pwede na natin suotin kasi hindi na tayo mag-aalala at hindi na siya nakabakat. Plus, we can do all the activities we want during our period, even the extreme activities kasi hindi na tayo maiilang. We can go to the gym, we can swim and shower. Yes, pwede guys. Pwede mag-gym, swim, and shower ng nakatampons. And by the way, para sa mga sweethearts ko and viewers na nanonood, especially sa mga bata na nag-worry kung nakaka-diverginize ba ang tampons, no, sweethearts, hindi nakaka-diverginize ang paggamit ng tampons. Madi-diverginize ka lang pag nakipag-sexual intercourse ka and pag nag-extreme activities ka, as in yung total extreme pag nasira yung hymen mo, that is when you will be diverginized. Pero pag gumamit ka ng tampon na ganito kaliit, you will not be diverginized, sweethearts.
Don't worry, be happy.
I highly recommend these Ladouce Tampons and all these informations are based on my experience. Pero guys, depende pa rin sa inyo kung saan kayo mas komportable, diba? Kung sa pads ba or sa napkin. Basta kasi ako, as of the moment, I just switch and won't be going back with pads. I'm saying this not because this video is in collaboration with Ladouce Tampons, but sweethearts, real talk lang tayo dito, honest review lang tayo dito sa channel ko, alam niyo naman yan. But I really love the comfort and convenience that tampons gave me. If you want to check Ladouce Tampons, they are locally available and they also have in Lazada. You may also check their website and Facebook page for more info. I'll be putting them all on the description box below para ma-check nyo. I hope this helps, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, show some love, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell below para lagi kayong updated on my next uploads. Thank you for watching, sweethearts. I hope to see you on the next one. Stay sweet, guys. Bye!